So here I'm just making little brackets and stuff for the swap. This is going to be my intercooler bracket. I kind of just plasma cut this section out, and it's going to go right here in there just to clear the hood latch, and then the intercooler will be mounted there. I'm just about to weld some tabs so we can throw some bolts in that hole and this hole, and the intercooler should be mounted. So I'm doing the gas pedal adapter today. I need to adapt the Volkswagen gas pedal to where the Toyota gas pedal mounts. So what I've done here is got some square tube. I've traced out where the Toyota holes would need to be drilled and mirrored them, because this will be sitting backwards like this. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. Mark the 3 holes for the Volkswagen. And then I'll be able to weld bolts through here to act as studs. And then I'll have enough room to screw in nuts and bolt the adapter right to the firewall. To fabricating the engine mounts, so I'm just using some cardboard and poking some holes, making a template. Now that I've confirmed this fits, I just have to transfer everything onto the steel, plasma cut it, drill some holes, and then I'll have the engine mount all ready to go. I think what I'm gonna do is shave down this so it's flush with the rest of the block, or I can add a washer here to space it out so it's even with the block. So I'll have to decide what I want to do later, but yeah, let's start cutting. So I went ahead and grind down this mounting hole so it's flush with the rest of the block, and then I just grind down all the other mounting holes so there's no rust in the way to interfere with the fitment of the plate once I get that all fabricated. The reason I decided to grind this down was because I figured I want as much surface area as possible for the mount to sit on the block. Okay, so I just cut up the engine mount brackets. So all the holes line up here. And on this side, I had to notch it a little to clear the oil pan and then do a couple bends. I had to do this bend to compensate for this mounting hole being a little offset. So it started off as a cardboard template, and now the final product is here. The idea, this is also the passenger side, driver side. So I've got these fluid-filled Passat engine mounts. So once this is bolted to the engine, this will be bolted onto the FJ frame. And then when I get everything lined up, I'll tack another plate inside the car, and then I'll pull it all off, do the final welding, and then the engine mount's done. And then the engine can be bolted in and out of the car just like that. So this looks good. I'm really happy with this. It's just another thing to cross off the list. Fits perfect.